Did you know there are cars you can drive to 250,000 miles to 1,000,000 miles without the engine facing issues? This video will dive into the 13 most reliable used cars that are absolutely worth owning in 2025. These vehicles will simply never break down, proven and backed by actual data from over 150,000 real drivers. Kicking off our countdown at number 13, the Subaru Outback. This all-wheel drive wagon has been conquering snow, mud, and suburban driveways since 1994. While Subaru as a brand ranks respectably in the middle of Consumer Reports' reliability ratings, the Outback stands out as their reliability superstar. The 2015-2019 models hit that sweet spot before they went turbo crazy, delivering a solid 4.0 out of 5 reliability rating from RepairPal. With basic maintenance, these adventure-ready wagons easily cruise past 200,000 miles. The Boxer engine might sound like a sewing machine with hiccups, but that horizontally opposed design will outlast most of your relationships. Need reliable transportation that doubles as a camping companion? The Outback delivers in any weather condition. Speaking of delivery, who says reliability has to be wrapped in a boring, soulless package? Our next legend proves that dependability and driving enjoyment aren't sworn enemies. Number 12, the Mazda Miata. The sports car for people who actually want to drive their sports car instead of watching it sit in the repair shop. Mazda ranks an impressive third in Consumer Reports' brand reliability rankings, proving that fun and dependability can coexist in perfect harmony. Since 1989, this little roadster has been delivering smiles per gallon with its bulletproof reliability. The NC generation, 2006-2015, especially stands out with just $429 annual maintenance costs, cheaper than your premium coffee addiction. Many owners report their Miatas still carving corners past 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular oil changes and the occasional timing belt. The simple, naturally aspirated engine and manual transmission combo is automotive perfection. Who says reliability can't wear a sports car costume? From top-down thrills to family-friendly practicality, our next champion proves that hauling the kids doesn't have to mean hauling repair bills. Number 11. The Honda Odyssey, the minivan that refuses to die, with Honda ranking 4th in Consumer Reports' brand reliability study. This family hauler inherits those bulletproof genes. The 2017-2021 models are pure gold for used buyers, scoring a rock-solid 81 out of 100 from J.D. Power. Many Odysseys cruise past 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. That 3.5L V6 engine is smoother than your best pickup lines. And the transmission, as long as you avoid the problematic 2018-2019 models, shifts like butter on a hot pan. Low repair costs, strong resale value, and safety features that'll make your insurance agent do a happy dance. Need a family-friendly ride that'll outlast your mortgage? The Odyssey delivers, literally and figuratively. But what if you need something with a bit more luxury in its DNA? Our next legend proves that premium comfort and long-term reliability aren't mutually exclusive concepts. Number 10, the Lexus RX, the luxury crossover that Consumer Reports practically worships. With Lexus ranking number 1 in brand reliability, the RX is their crown jewel. This plush people mover combines Toyota's legendary dependability with interior appointments that make Mercedes owners question their life choices. The 2016-2018 models hit that sweet spot before they went touchscreen crazy, giving you the perfect blend of modern features and proven reliability. That 3.5L V6 engine routinely pushes past 300,000 miles, while the cabin stays whisper quiet whether you're at 50,000 miles or 250,000. With annual maintenance costs averaging just $550. Peanuts for a luxury vehicle. The RX proves that treating yourself doesn't have to mean punishing your wallet later. From Japanese luxury to American muscle, our next contender proves that homegrown heroes can be reliable too, if you choose the right one. Number 9, the Buick LaCrosse, the shocking American reliability champion. While most American brands languish at the bottom of Consumer Reports rankings, Buick stands tall as the top American brand for used car reliability. The 2017-2019 models feature a silky smooth 3.6L V6 that's been refined to near perfection over decades of development. These understated luxury sedans deliver Lexus-like quietness with Chevy-like repair costs. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. With proper care, these American-made beauties easily cruise past 200,000 miles. The best part? Depreciation hits them like a sledgehammer, meaning you can score a near-luxury experience for Honda money. Who says the American reliability renaissance isn't happening? But maybe you need something with a bit more attitude. Our next legend proves that reliability doesn't have to mean blending into the background. Number 8. The Mazda 6. The sedan that just won't quit. With Mazda's stellar third-place finish in Consumer Reports brand rankings, this stylish four-door delivers long-term durability without boring you to tears. The 2014-2019 models hit that sweet spot in Mazda's evolution, after they divorced Ford, but before they went turbo crazy. That naturally aspirated 2.5L engine sips fuel while delivering up to 86 horsepower, and the 6-speed automatic transmission shifts smoother than a politician's promises. With proper care, these beauties can rack up 250,000 plus miles. That's like driving to the moon and halfway back. For under 15K, you can find a well-maintained example that will make you look like you spent twice as much, while delivering Honda-like reliability with BMW-like handling. Talk about getting your money's worth, from underrated sedans to overbuilt trucks. Our next legend proves that Toyota's reliability magic extends beyond their passenger cars. Number 7. The Toyota Tacoma. The mid-size truck that's worth more used than some trucks cost new. With Toyota ranking an incredible second in Consumer Reports brand study, the Tacoma inherits those bulletproof genes. According to iSeeCars data, the Tacoma is 3.7 times more likely than the average vehicle to reach 250,000 miles. These aren't just trucks, they're investments. The 2016-2019 models with the 3.5L V6 offer the perfect blend of modern features and proven reliability. Yes, they ride like covered wagons. Yes, the interior looks like it was designed in 1997. But who cares about those minor details when your truck will still be running strong when your grandkids start driving? With maintenance costs averaging just $478 annually, the Tacoma proves that legendary reliability doesn't have to cost legendary money. But what if trucks aren't your style? Perhaps you prefer Japanese reliability in a more sophisticated package. Number 6. The Toyota Camry. The sedan that made reliability boring because it's just so predictable. Coming from the number 2 brand in reliability, the Camry is the automotive equivalent of that friend who never calls in sick to work. The 2017-2019 models offer engine options, including a 203 horsepower 4-cylinder or a muscular 301 horsepower V6, proving these aren't your grandpa's Camrys anymore. With proper care, these mechanical marvels easily cruise past 300,000 miles. Some have even hit the mythical 500K mark. According to iSeeCars, the Camry is 1.9 times more likely to reach 250,000 miles than the average vehicle. Low maintenance costs, stellar fuel economy up to 39 mpg highway, and safety features that actually work make this Japan's gift to your wallet. Boring, maybe, but your bank account will be too busy growing to care. If reliability wore a superhero cape, our next contender would be its secret identity. Number 5. The Honda Accord, the sedan that other sedans have posters of. Coming from 4 brand in reliability, these engineering masterpieces just keep going and going. Many owners report their Accords running well past 300,000 miles with minimal drama. The 2013-2017 models represent Honda at its peak, before they started experimenting with turbos and CVTs. That naturally aspirated 2.4L 4-cylinder paired with either a manual transmission or a proper torque converter automatic is automotive perfection. According to iSeeCars, the Accord is 1.8 times more likely to reach 250,000 miles than the average vehicle. With front-wheel drive simplicity and no complicated rear differentials to worry about, these affordable legends deliver 24 mpg city and up to 34 mpg highway. For under $15,000, you can own one of the most reliable vehicles ever created. But what if your adventures take you off the pavement? Our next legend has been conquering trails since before Instagram made it cool. But before that, if you reach it here, subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. Number 4. The Toyota 4Runner, the SUV that scoffs at off-road pretenders. According to IC Cars, this trail-conquering beast is an incredible 3.9 times more likely to reach 250,000 miles than the average vehicle. The 2015-2019 models hit that sweet spot. Modern enough to have decent tech, but old school enough to be virtually indestructible. Its body-on-frame construction and time-tested 4.0L V6 make it one of the toughest vehicles ever built. Inside, you'll find surprisingly comfortable accommodations and enough space for all your adventure gear. These machines hold their value like Bitcoin in a bull market, because everyone knows they're built to outlast civilization itself. Annual maintenance runs about $514, a bargain considering you'll be driving it until the next ice age. If zombies ever attack, the survivors will be driving 4Runners. Fact: from off-road warriors to highway cruisers. Our next legend proves that luxury and longevity aren't mutually exclusive concepts. Number 3. The Lexus ES. The luxury sedan that makes German car owners question their life decisions. Coming from number 1 brand in reliability according to Consumer Reports, the ES combines Toyota Avalon mechanicals with Lexus craftsmanship. 2015-2018 models are especially bulletproof, featuring the legendary 3.5L V6 that seems to run forever. These beauties routinely cruise past 300,000 miles while the cabin stays as quiet as a library and the leather seats show minimal wear. According to repair statistics, only 8% of ES repairs are considered severe, compared to 12% for the average luxury car, with annual maintenance costs averaging just $468, less than many non-luxury vehicles. The ES proves that treating yourself doesn't mean torturing your wallet. For around $20K, you can own a vehicle that will last 15+ years. Our next contender has your family covered. Number 2. The Toyota Avalon, the full-size sedan that ranks an impressive 9th on IC Cars' list of vehicles most likely to reach 250,000 miles. Being 2.6 times more likely than average to hit that milestone puts it in truck territory for durability. The 2016-2018 models represent peak Avalon, featuring that bulletproof 3.5L V6 engine and 6-speed automatic transmission combo that's been refined to perfection. Consumer Reports consistently gives these model years their highest reliability ratings. With Lexus-like quietness, surprising dynamics, and a cavernous back seat, the Avalon delivers near-luxury experience with Toyota maintenance costs. Annual upkeep averages just $463. Peanuts for a vehicle of this size and quality. The Avalon is for adults who calculate vehicle costs over decades, not years. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the reigning champion of reliability, the vehicle that other vehicles tell stories about around campfires. Number 1. The Toyota Land Cruiser. The SUV that ranks at the absolute top of IC Cars' list, being an astounding 5.2 times more likely to reach 250,000 miles than the average. When automotive journalists pushed Land Cruisers to 1 million miles, they weren't proving a point. They were just driving normal Land Cruisers. The 2008-2021 models, 200 series, represent perhaps the most overbuilt consumer vehicles ever, sold in America. Toyota engineers these beasts with a 25-year service life in mind, while most manufacturers hope you'll trade in after 5 years. Yes, they're expensive. Yes, they drink fuel like a college freshman at their first party. But with reliability scores consistently at the top of Consumer Reports charts, and countless documented cases of Land Cruisers reaching astronomical mileages, they're actually the budget option if you divide by decades of service. Their combination of unbreakable mechanics, smooth on-road manners, and legitimate luxury features make them the perfect vehicle for those who want to drive to the ends of the earth and make it back home again. From family haulers to luxury cruisers, These automotive Ironmen will keep your wallet full and your stress levels low. Remember, these aren't just my opinions. They're backed by Consumer Reports data from over 150,000 real owners and IC Cars analysis of vehicles most likely to reach 250,000 plus miles. If you want to see the car mistakes that destroys your engine day by day, click this video. Trust me, it will save you thousands of dollars in repairs.